Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Xiaomi 17. So first, what you guys want to do is, if you're using USB-C headphones, then I would recommend cleaning the charging port first, because dust can block a lot of connection. So, as you guys can see, we got the charging port right here. Now I know that it's clean, but if your charging port is dusty, then I recommend you using a soft brush to clean it. It's very important to keep it clean because it can block the connection not only for the headphones but also for the charger. Next, what you guys want to do is restart the phone. So press the power button, the volume up button, and swipe down to reboot. Now the phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is, if you're using an adapter for the 3.5mm jack, then what you guys can do is simply make sure that you're using an original one or a certified one, because if you're using a cheap adapter, then it can break down any second and you will have no idea when or why. Of course, you can try another pair of headphones and see if there's some issues with yours. If not, then what you guys can do is simply update your phone software, and it also goes for the Bluetooth headphones. So you can go over to the settings, go to About Phone, and here tap on the Xiaomi HyperOS. I have no updates available, but if you have some updates, you will see it on the button right here where the Xiaomi community button is. You will see the download install, and then you'll have the latest version. It's important to keep your phone on the latest version because you will not struggle with old glitches. Now let's go over and talk about the Bluetooth headphones. First, let's go over and turn the Bluetooth off and on. Now the Bluetooth is enabled, and if you got your headphones paired, then what you guys can do is simply forget them and repair them again. So I'll show you the process. First, I'll pair my AirPods right here, and now let's click pair. What are we going to do now is click on this little arrow and click on pair. Now they are gone, and what you guys want to do now is simply, if you're using AirPods, close the case, open it again. And I use the AirPods Pro's freeze, so I just double tap the case, and after that we will see them again. We just need to click refresh, and then it will search for devices again. So now I can pair them again, click pair right here, and now they are connected. Now if your headphones are not connecting, make sure to charge them fully. It's very important to keep up with your percentage, because once I've had this situation where they were not 100% fully charged and they wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to 100%, they connected without any issues. So make sure that you do that. Now, as a last resort here, you guys need to avoid device interference. So if my AirPods pair with the iPhone first, then that's the interference between the devices. So we want to make sure that the AirPods actually pair with the Xiaomi first, and then we need to disable the Bluetooth or forget them from the iPhone. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.